Alright students, the question is how to solve the cubic equation x raised power 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. You know this equation will have three roots. We need to find out the three roots of this cubic equation. That means we have to find out the three values of x which will satisfy this equation. Or I can say in other words, we have to find out the three values of x which when we will input them in this equation, the LHS will be equal to the RHS. Let's go with this equation. We have the equation x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, we can rewrite it like this: x cube minus 1 cube is equal to 0. 1 cube is equal to 0. Okay, now using a formula, you know that formula is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, that's equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula a cube minus b cube. Applying here, we will get x minus 1 into x square minus x into 1 plus b square, that means 1 square. Okay, then we will get like this: x minus 1 is into x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now here the product of the two terms, this is the one term and this is the second term. The product of these two terms is equal to 0. Note, whenever the product of the two terms is 0, one of them is equal to the 0. So either x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. That means x is equal to positive 1. This is one of the solution of this by this cubic equation. Now this one is the quadratic equation and we have to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, you know the roots of the quadratic equation by discriminant method. D is equal to, let me find out the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So the discriminant is b square minus 1 square minus 4 into x is equal to a is equal to 1 and c is again equal to 1. That's equal to 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. So the discriminant is equal to minus 3. It will have the two roots and both the two roots will be imaginary. Let me find out the two roots. Okay, next is the value of the x will be equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, or simply we can write down here as d under root of d divided by 2a. Okay, that will be equal to x is equal to minus b and the b is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root of d is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 into and a is equal to 1. Okay, moving further, we will solve. This will be equal to x is equal to plus 1 plus minus under root of 3 can be written as, under root of minus 3 can be written as 3 into minus 1. So you can divide it by 2 into 1, that's equal to 2. So that x is equal to 1 plus minus, we can put the root to the 3 and to the minus 1 separately, Okay, divided by 2. Next, on solving this, we will get like this: x is equal to 1 plus minus under root of 3, and we know under root of minus 1 is iota divided by 2. So the two roots are x is equal to 1 plus under root of 3 iota divided by 2 and x is equal to 1 minus under root of 3 iota divided by 2. So, so the roots of this quadratic cubic equation are x is equal to 1 1 plus under root of 3 iota divided by 2 and 1 minus under root of 3 iota divided by 2. These are the three roots of this cubic equation. Cubic equation, which one cubic equation? This one, x cube minus 1 equal to 0. It means when you will input any value of x as 1 or this one or this one, the LHS will be equal to RHS. In mathematics, these two are having their own specific name. One is called as the omega, and which is equal to 1 minus under root of 3 iota divided by 2, and the second one is called as omega square, which is equal to 1 plus under root of 3 iota divided by 2. In my next video lecture, I will prove that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0.